Welcome to the Learning Club. This month you are going to be receiving a box which is all about maths, and whilst Max is packaging them up and getting them ready to send to your homes, I'm going to be showing you one of the activities that you'll be receiving. So this month in your box you'll be getting the pom-pom sorting tray. It comes with these child-friendly tweezers, a sorting tray and a range of pom-poms. The pom-poms will be different sizes, different colours. This activity is designed to help your child look at similarities and differences and begin to group things depending on what makes them the same or what makes them different. This is a skill that children really need to harness, because as they move up their school life, they'll be faced with big number equations, algebra, big number problems, which if they can now start to develop the skills of looking at similarities and differences and looking for patterns and changes, then when they get older and they're faced those big equations, it's going to be a lot simpler for them to find the differences, find the patterns in number, find that sort of missing number and solve those problems. So what I would do to start off first of all is show your child this activity and just get them to have a go with it. Just get them to have a practice of using the tweezers and moving them into the tray. If your child is finding it difficult to squeeze these tweezers, then just start them off by pinching and picking them up, because that's the same action, and then once their hands are strong enough they can use the tweezers. But moving on from once they've just started moving them along, I'd start counting them as they move them. So that's 1, 2, 3. You've got 3 in your tray. Can you count them? And then encourage them to count the pom-poms using one-to-one correspondence. So that means touching each pom-pom as they count and saying the number as they do it. Another thing I'd get them to do is just to sort them, to say, can you find all the big ones and put them in the tray? Can you find all the small ones? Can you find the red ones? Can you find the green ones? And then also say, well, can you think of any ways that we can sort the pom-poms? Because children are really good at coming up with these really inventive, abstract ways of sorting things that quite often as adults we'll sit there and we'll look at them and think, what are they doing? That is really odd. But they'll be able to explain it to you, which is amazing, because that's also what them to do, is start to explain their thinking and be able to rationalise why they're doing something, which again is how they're going to get to that mastery level of maths, being able to talk about their learning and explain it to others. Thanks very much for watching.